Assalamu alaikum, adab dear students. In this video I am going to show you how to properly write a formal email. As you know, email is an acronym for electronic mail that has taken over the conventional post. As it is sent through an electronic device, so it is called an electronic mail. What is an electronic mail? A mail sent through an electronic device. Email writing is an essential part of professional communication. The best email communication is the one that is simple and clear. The important points have been marked here in bold text so that you can easily remember them. Email writing includes a particular structure to make a good email. An email structure comprises of generally comprises of four elements, that is subject line, salutation or greetings, email body, and closing line, or we can say sign off. The first structure or the first element is subject line. So far as the subject line is concerned, it is an important part of an email as it shows the recipient. Recipient means a person who receives something. Here, one who receives the email, the subject of the email body. It tells us what the email is about. The subject line is what motivates people to actually open the mail. It is just like the face of the body which conveys message about the person. One should spend enough time to craft the subject line as it is the crux of the email written. A subject line should be short and accurate. Avoid subject lines that are too long. And the second element is salutation or greetings. We should always begin our formal email with a proper salutation. If we know our recipient, we should use its name. If we don't know recipient's name, then we can use dear sir, dear madam, to whom it may concern. You should avoid informal emails these salutations such as hi, hello, hey, yo, what's up. Sometimes one more element is added here, that is opening. In opening, you give introduction of yourself if you want to introduce yourself. The third element of a formal email is it is body, the reason of writing. Why are we writing an email? The body of the email states what the email is about. Be clear with what you want your receiver to know. It should be written in a clear, informative, and comprehensive language rather than jargon words. If you don't share the same background with the receiver, it is always good to maintain polite and neutral tune. Avoid emoticons. Emoticons is short form for emotion icons. Personal comments and gossip. Keep it short. Use standard font size and style. Do a final spelling grammar check. Proofread it. And the last element of a formal email is closing line, sign off, end of correspondence. Finally, sign off the email on a polite note and proofread it before hitting send. The closing should feel genuine, only then will the receiver want to respond. One can use a friendly sign off before sending the email. Closing phrases such as cheers, thanks, regards, take care, sincerely, all the best are used as closing phrases. Check your email before you send it. Things you need to do. वो चीज़ें जो हमें मेल लिखने के दौरान या सेंड करने के दौरान जहन नशीन करनी है, उनमें से पहला ये है, when you start writing an email, make sure you type in the right email ID. Even a full staff can land your email with the wrong person or it can bounce back. Check the spelling mistakes. Don't use slang terms or emojis. Don't use contractions like won't instead of will not. Last but not least, make sure your email address is also correct and appropriate. Here is an example of a sample of an email that is regarding email seeking information regarding course details. This is the first line where we have to write recipient's email. And the second is subject line. Subject is regarding course details and but with a salutation, dear sir, madam, whatsoever it is. I have passed my 12th examination with first grade marks. I intend or I want to take admission in your institute, college, university. I would like to know the details of different courses offered by your university. Could you please send me a copy of your prospectus? And this is the sign off or closing line. Yours faithfully, your name, etc. Thank you.